Welcome back, everybody. It is time to get the second oil change in the 2025 EcoBoost Mustang right here. Last time I changed the oil at exactly 2,100 miles, and now I'm just over 6,100 miles in this car. Really was planning to do oil change intervals like every 3,000 miles, but I just got busy in life. Right now, I want to show you guys what the Mobile One full synthetic oil is looking like at 4,000 miles on this car. All right, it is the moment of truth. Let's see how the Mobile One full synthetic oil is looking at with 4,000 miles on it. A lot of stop and go city traffic and a lot of hard driving in my Mustang. Let's pull out this dipstick, see how it's looking. Got a little towel here too so we can see it. And a lot of people are all crazy. Some people say you got to do oil changes every 3,000 miles. Some people are like every 10,000 is fine. Really what I like to do is just stay between that 3,000 to 5,000 mile mark. If I go about 5,000 miles, that's probably the longest I would go in this car, especially since I'm doing a lot of stop and go city driving. So this oil, you guys can see it right here. Let's get it right up close to the camera. This definitely needs to be changed. You guys let me know what you think about how it looks down below in the comments, but it's really starting to look dark at this point. I'm actually surprised how dark this oil is looking at with only 4,000 miles on it, guys. That actually looks really dark for advanced full synthetic Mobile One oil right there. You guys let me know what you think down below in the comments, but I'm surprised. I thought it was going to be a lot lighter than that at only 4,000 miles on it. All right, you guys, here we are getting to, geez. These people, dude. She's just right in front of me, man. And I had the right of way, by the way. But anyways, we're getting to Valvoline if we can get there alive today. And what we're gonna do is be getting the Valvoline full synthetic oil. Last time I brought my own oil and they only charged me about 40 bucks to do the oil change. But this time, I think it's about 80 to $90 if I have them just do the full service with the Valvoline oil. So I'm just gonna let them go ahead and do the Valvoline oil because I kind of like to change up the oil I use in my car anyways, just to get different detergents kind of running through my engine periodically. There might be some science to that. That might be a waste of time. You guys let me know what you think down below in the comments. But here we are. And of course I came on a Saturday because that's when I freaking have time to do this. And it's kind of crowded today. And I also have a $10 off coupon. So if you guys do come to Valvoline, keep in mind right off the bat, I'm not sponsored. This is just where I like to come because this Valvoline close to my house is legitimate. They do things correctly and I can trust them. So that's why I like to come here. A lot of oil change shops are really shady, but if you guys do go to Valvoline or wherever you guys go, make sure you look for a coupon or something because 10 bucks, I'll take 10 bucks off to make it instead of like 90 bucks, for example, make it 80 bucks. That's worth it to me. Gonna go ahead and wait in line and then see if they're cool with me recording them changing the oil here. Excited to get some new oil in the car. Again, I want to try and do the oil change as much as I possibly can in this car because it is my daily driver and I want to have it for a really long time, hopefully keep it till, you know, over 100,000 miles. That's really the plan right now, unless something changes, obviously. But I'm excited to get this done. Hopefully the Valvoline full synthetic oil is just as good, or hopefully even a little bit better than the Mobile One. You guys let me know what oil you guys swear by in your cars or trucks down below in the comments. I'm really fine as long as it's full synthetic motor oil. I've used all kinds of oils. Used Mobile One, Valvoline. Even in my old F-150, I use the Super Tech at Walmart because it's really cheap, still really high quality oil. But let me know which oil you guys use down below in the comments. Let's get this done. And I also officially have 6,136 miles on the car. So I've put barely over 4,000 miles on the Mobile One oil.
Synthetic on him, babe.
All right, you guys, we are done at Valvoline. I'm getting guided out right now. Make sure I don't mess something up. I am done. Oil is changed. Honestly, it got a lot more expensive than I thought it was going to be. It was $123, but I also used a $10 coupon. So it was $113 for the full service, full synthetic oil change. But last time when I brought in my own oil from Walmart, I only paid about $50 for the oil and oil filter. It was literally like 90 bucks. So I spent a little bit over $20 extra than if I would have just bought the oil myself at Walmart and brought it in, which kind of doesn't make any sense. Just when they told me the price, I was like, I'm not gonna go all the way to Walmart, get the oil, come all the way back and wait in line again. I was like, you know what, I'll just do it this time, and next time I know better. I thought it was gonna be like $5-10 more maybe if I don't bring my own oil, but it is what it is, guys. I got the highest quality oil that they offer over there at Valvoline, full synthetic and a filter and the service done. And especially in this car, people like to make fun of me for not doing my own oil change. But on these, it's so low to the ground, you have to literally go by ramps. And then I don't trust the ramps, guys. Like, I'm not gonna entrust my life to a little dinky ramp. So I usually just take it in myself. And then on top of the ramps, there's also a 9-bolt skid plate underneath this car, guys. That's kind of a hassle to get off. So again, I don't want to crawl up under it myself and have to deal with entrusting some cheapy plastic ramps to keep the car from crushing my head and my body. So I like to just take it in, get it done myself. Definitely next time, gonna buy my own oil at Walmart, own filter and everything, and then just bring it back over here because it's $38 for the service if you bring your own oil. So that is what I will be doing next time. I just didn't think it was gonna be so much extra money to not bring your own oil. You think it would be the opposite. You think it'd be more expensive if you brought in your own oil because they would want you to use their oil. But who knows? I don't know how the margins work at Valvoline. That's going to be it for today. The oil in this thing is brand new. And I want to stress, if you guys are driving the EcoBoost Mustang or another car with a turbocharger like this one has, they were really surprised at how dark the oil was. And I told them it's only been 4,000 miles since the last time I did an oil change. And they were like, man, this oil looks really dark for only 4,000 miles, even what these guys thought over there. And I thought it was pretty dark too for only about 4K, but since this car is direct and port injection, I drive it stop and go, drive it a little bit more aggressively, and it also has the turbocharger heating up that oil a lot. The oil is going to wear down a lot quicker, so it's really important in any turbocharged vehicle to get the oil changed a little bit more often, just because it's going to wear out a lot faster with the turbocharger, direct port injection. And if you drive a little harder like I drive my car, it's going to also wear down that oil a little bit quicker. That's going to be it for today. If you guys got any questions about the Mustang, the oil change, or anything, let me know down below in the comments and I'll do my best to answer you guys. Thanks for watching.